Let me ask you, when you think about writing a business plan, what comes to mind? For many, it's a sea of spreadsheets, projections, and bullet points. It can feel like a checklist rather than a tool for success. But here's the truth that most business owners overlook. A business plan shouldn't start with what or how. It should start with the why. Think about it. So many plans are built around tactics, metrics, and processes. But without a guiding vision, they're simply building something that doesn't have direction. Your business may grow, but it won't have a purpose. And purpose is what sustains businesses over the long haul. Starting with the why means understanding your core purpose. It's not just about making money, it's about what you want to accomplish in the world. Why does your business exist? What problem does it solve? What changes are you making? These questions are the foundation of a vision that drives everything. When you begin with a clear why, everything else falls into place. Your products, your team, your marketing, they all become a reflection of the purpose. It's not just about getting customers or hitting targets. It's about aligning every aspect of your business with a vision that resonates deeply with your audience. The business plan becomes a strategy for purpose-driven growth. A vision-driven plan doesn't just shape your business, it shapes your team, your customers, your investors. People want to be part of something that's bigger than the product itself. They want to understand the why behind it. When your business has a clear purpose, it creates alignment across the board, building trust and motivating those who contribute to your success. So the next time you sit down to write or revise your business plan, start with your why. Define it, clarify it, because at the end of the day, the business that endures and thrives aren't just about products and profits. They're about purpose that drives them forward.